All right, so today we are going to be looking at subtracting using the expanded algorithm. Now, I know we have already been subtracting, but this is just kind of a good way to possibly subtract and kind of a shortcut method. So looking at the problem, 479 minus 392. So we can think of these as our place values and ask ourselves how much we have in each of these place values, and then subtract based on the individual places. So we are starting with 479, which how much do we have in each place? In my ones place, we have 9 ones. In my tens place, we have 7 tens, which has the value of 70. In my hundreds place, we have 4 hundreds with the value of 400. And we're going to be taking away 392. What is the value of each of those places? 3 hundreds, the value is 300. 9 tens, the value is 90. And 2 ones, the value is 2. So if I was to draw a picture of what this looks like, my 400s. So I could draw what that looks like, my 400s blocks. And if I'm taking 300s away, I break it down. I'm going to do my, the expanded algorithm relates to taking each of the place values from it. So if I'm going to take 300s away, I'm going to start with that. I take 300s. So I'm subtracting just my hundreds place first. So that would look like this 100, and this 100 get taken away, which leaves me with 100, and I still have 79. So 179, and since I just took the 300 away, I'm still left to take away 92. So now I'm going to take away my tens place. I have 9 tens to take away, or the value of 90. Oh no, look at that. I can't take 9 tens away because I only have 7. So let's just do that. Let's just take 7 tens away. So if I have 179 and I take 7 tens away, then I'm going to have no tens left. So if I take 7 tens, which the value is 70 away from 179, I end up with 109. Those 7 tens go away. So I'm left with 109. But now I still have to take away 22 because 9 minus 7 was my 2, and I still had those 2 ones to take away also. So now I'm left with 109, and I'm going to be taking 22 away from that. Well, let's take away my 2 ones. I can't take away my 2 tens yet. Well, I could. Let's actually do it. How can I take my 2 tens away from 0 tens? Well, if I look at the 1 in the hundreds place, I know that 100 is the same thing as 10 tens. So I can look at that as I have 10 tens. So to take 2 tens away from 10 tens, I end up with 8 tens. I still had that 9, but now I have to take away those 2 more ones. So 89 minus 2, and I end up with 87. Let's check our math doing the standard algorithm to be sure we got the right answer. Always good to solve a couple different ways. So we're going to stack them for the standard algorithm. 479 minus 392. Can I take 2 from 9? Yes, I can. 9 minus 2 is 7. Can I take 9 from 7? No, I cannot. So I have to go to my hundreds place. I'm going to borrow one of those hundreds. So now I only have 3 hundreds. One of those hundreds becomes 10 tens. And I have 7 tens right now. So 10 tens plus 7 tens, I now have 17 tens. 17 minus 9 gives me 8. 3 minus 3 gives me 0. I got the difference of 87. Therefore, I got the same answer solving the standard algorithm and the expanded algorithm. Now, how can I check my work? You say addition, you got it. So if I add these two numbers together to check my work to see if I got what I started with, 392 plus 87, checking my work. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry my 1 because I can't have that 1 in that tens place. That really means 100. 1 plus 3 is 4. Did I get the 479 that I started with? Yes, I did. I know I must have gotten my answer correct.